Today we're making sugar-free bottle jelly, honey jelly, whatever you want to call it. I've been experimenting. I think I figured it out, but it's gonna be sugar-free. Okay, let's dive right in and just start making this stuff. Okay, so here we have the main ingredient, Isomalt. We're gonna be melting the Isomalt sweetener until it turns into a syrup. We're also gonna be adding a tiny bit of water, but only about 2 tablespoons, because if you add too much, it's not gonna work. The Isomalt is nice and melted. Now we're just gonna let it cool off until it's ready to use. Here is the sugar-free syrup we just made. It cooled off, it's ready. Let's get started. Okay, for these ones, we're gonna be using tiny little bottles. For the first one, we're gonna be doing a clear glitter watermelon flavor. We're gonna be using our sugar-free syrup, and we're gonna be using this sugar-free watermelon flavor. And then we're gonna add edible glitter. Mix it up. And now we just pour it in our little bottle. And now we're just gonna freeze it. Skittles grape flavor. There we go. Another grape flavor. We're gonna be adding some food coloring because this one is clear. Now we just freeze it. Crushed pineapple flavor. Water. Freeze it. Green Skittles apple flavor. Freeze it. Strawberry Skittles flavor. Freeze it. Crush lemonade flavor, watermelon flavor as well. Freeze it. Grape and watermelon. Super easy. Now we just freeze it. Skittles orange flavor. Freeze it. And for the last one, we're making a watermelon crush flavor. Freeze with all the other ones. See you in 24 hours. And this is how they look. I don't know if you can see that. The first one we're gonna try, the edible glitter one, watermelon flavor. See how they actually turned out with these little tiny bottles? It actually worked. These tiny bottles are great. Way sweeter than the ones that are not sugar-free, but still, they don't taste as good as the non-sugar-free ones, but yes, it works. The simple, clear one, grape and watermelon flavor. Oh yeah, this one's good. Really sour, but really good. Crushed lemonade, and I think I added some watermelon. This one was okay, not that good, maybe because I don't really like lemonade. I couldn't even taste the watermelon. This one's green apple, by the way, Skittles green apple. I like green apple, so it was pretty good. Blue grape with just blue food coloring. This one was also okay, Skittles grape flavor. Grape wasn't all that good, but here I have strawberry and a watermelon flavor. We're gonna try both of these together. These two flavors together tasted pretty good. It kind of tasted like Hubba Bubba gum. Well, anyways, it tastes like that gum if you eat them together. And then here is the last two. Skittles orange flavor, pineapple crush flavor. We're also going to be trying these two together. If I can squeeze them out at the same time. I'm not strong enough. We're gonna do them one by one. I ate them together, but the pineapple tasted better. Anyways, that was all of them. The best tasting one for me is gonna have to be the watermelon and grape, which was the clear one. If you made it to the end of the video, comment galaxy jelly. Maybe we'll try and make a galaxy jelly for the next video. Or comment your favorite honey jelly or a flavor that you want me to try making next. But if you watch till the end, comment galaxy jelly. And trust me, I'll notice. Anyways, thank you for watching. My name is Davey. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. You're all awesome. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.